Justice for Harmony. Adam Montgomery sentenced. A father's betrayal, a child's stolen life. Adam Montgomery has been sentenced for the murder of his 5-year-old daughter, Harmony. But the pain lingers, the questions remain, and the search for Harmony continues. Adam Montgomery, a man described as a monster by Harmony's relatives, has been sentenced to a minimum of 56 years in prison. This sentence is for the murder of his daughter, Harmony Montgomery. The conviction includes other related charges. The courtroom echoed with grief and anger as family members confronted Montgomery. Their words painted a picture of a man devoid of empathy. They spoke of a life tragically cut short. The 56-year sentence will be added to a previous sentence Montgomery was already serving. He was already serving a 32-1-2-year sentence for unrelated gun charges. This effectively ensures he will spend the rest of his life behind bars. This combined sentence offers a small measure of solace to those who loved Harmony. It is a stark reminder that some crimes are unforgivable. The justice system has spoken. In July, Montgomery was convicted of second-degree murder in connection with Harmony's death. He was also convicted of abuse of a corpse. He was also convicted of falsifying physical evidence. These convictions represent a damning indictment of his actions. They are a testament to the meticulous work of the prosecution. They are a testament to the unwavering pursuit of justice. The prosecution argued that Montgomery brutally beat Harmony to death in December 2019. He then callously hid her body for months. He ultimately disposed of her remains. The most agonizing detail remains. The exact location of Harmony's body is still unknown. This absence of closure deepens the family's pain. It haunts the investigation. During the sentencing hearing, Harmony's relatives bravely addressed the court. They expressed their profound grief and righteous anger. They spoke of the unbearable pain of not knowing where Harmony is. The inability to properly grieve, to have a place to mourn, amplifies their suffering. Their words were a powerful testament to the enduring love for Harmony. Their words were a demand for accountability. This case has captured national attention, sparking widespread outrage. The failures of the New Hampshire child welfare system have come under intense scrutiny. Harmony was last seen in October 2019. Despite multiple reports of her disappearance, authorities did not launch a full-scale investigation for months. This delay raises serious questions about systemic failures. This delay raises questions about the protection of vulnerable children. The sentencing marks a significant step in bringing justice for Harmony and her family. However, it also highlights the urgent need for systemic changes. These changes are needed to protect children from abuse and neglect. We must learn from this tragedy. We must ensure that no other child falls through the cracks. We must demand accountability from those entrusted with their care. Kayla Montgomery, Adam's estranged wife, testified against him. She recounted the horrific events leading to Harmony's death. She described a life of fear and abuse. Her testimony painted a chilling picture of Adam Montgomery's cruelty. It revealed the extent of his depravity. It was a crucial piece of the puzzle in securing his conviction. Despite the conviction and sentencing, the search for Harmony's remains continues. Her family deserves to bring her home. They deserve to lay her to rest with dignity. Authorities are still urging anyone with information to come forward. No detail is too small. No lead should be ignored. Judge Amy Messer noted Montgomery's extensive criminal record. She highlighted his repeated failures to change his life. She stated that his indifference to human life was evident in his actions. She emphasized that the only way to protect others from him was to keep him behind bars. Her words were a powerful condemnation of his actions. Her words were a reaffirmation of the importance of justice. Despite the overwhelming evidence, Adam Montgomery has filed an appeal. He seeks to overturn his conviction. He seeks to escape responsibility for his heinous crime. This appeal is a further insult to Harmony's memory. It is a slap in the face to her grieving family. It is a reminder that the fight for justice is never truly over. Crystal Sorey, Harmony's mother, has been a tireless advocate for her daughter. She has endured unimaginable pain and loss. She has never given up hope of finding Harmony. Her strength and resilience are an inspiration. Her unwavering love for Harmony is a testament to the enduring bond between a mother and her child. Her plea for justice resonates deeply. The Harmony Montgomery case exposed critical failures within the child welfare system. Missed opportunities, delayed responses, and a lack of communication all contributed to this tragedy. A thorough review of the system is essential. Reforms must be implemented to prevent similar tragedies from happening again. Children's lives depend on it. A judge has legally declared Harmony Montgomery dead. This ruling allows her mother to administer her estate. This ruling allows her mother to pursue a wrongful death lawsuit. While this legal declaration provides some measure of closure, it cannot replace the loss of a child. It cannot erase the pain of not knowing where she is. It cannot bring Harmony back. The community of Manchester, New Hampshire, has been deeply affected by this case. Residents have rallied together to support Harmony's family. They have organized searches and vigils. Their collective grief is a testament to the impact of this tragedy. Their unwavering support is a beacon of hope in the darkness. Their determination to remember Harmony is a powerful act of defiance. In the face of such senseless violence, it is natural to search for meaning, to seek understanding, to find a way to prevent such tragedies from happening again. We must honor Harmony's memory by working to create a safer world for all children. We must be vigilant. We must be proactive. We must never forget. Harmony Montgomery's legacy must be one of change, a legacy of improved child welfare systems, a legacy of greater awareness of child abuse, a legacy of unwavering commitment to protecting vulnerable children. Let her memory be a catalyst for action. Let her story be a reminder of the importance of vigilance. Let her life, though tragically short, inspire us to create a better world. Adam Montgomery's sentencing is a step towards justice, but the search for Harmony continues. Her memory demands action. Her story compels us to do better. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Harmony Montgomery's remains, please contact the Manchester Police Department immediately. Share this video to raise awareness and help bring Harmony home. Support organizations dedicated to preventing child abuse and neglect. Let us never forget Harmony Montgomery.